In this video, let's see an IIT JEE question which was asked in a previous year and was based on the topic of inverse trigonometric functions. We have already seen few questions on the same chapter, and this question is in succession to all the previous videos of this chapter. We know that inverse trigonometric functions is basically a chapter which concentrates on usage and application of formulas. Let's see what the question has to say and let's get started with this question. Let's read the question together. The question is, if tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, where mod x less than 1 upon root 3, then find the value of what? Then the value of y is what? There are 4 options given to me. I have to choose one of the correct options. Now, how to do this question? How to get started with the solution? We have tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse the first thing plus tan inverse the second thing. And we also know a formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So that means we can apply the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y to the right hand side. This is what we will be doing. Let's write the heading as solution and let's get started with the solution. Let's write the right hand side, but before that we'll write the formula. We'll be using the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. We already know this formula. The condition is valid only and only when my x greater than 0, y is greater than 0, means both x and y should be positive. Also another thing, that the product x, y should be less than 1. The formula is there. Let's enclose it in a big box and let's use this formula to solve this question. So it is tan inverse x plus tan inverse the second thing is equal to tan inverse the first plus second upon 1 minus first into second. Tan inverse first plus second. So what is first? It is x. What is second? The whole thing. 2x upon 1 minus x square. We'll write it x plus 2x upon 1 minus x square whole upon 1 minus x into y. What is y? Y is the second term. So it is 2x upon 1 minus x square. What is 2x into x? It is 2x square upon 1 minus x square. Now, we already know 1 minus x square has come here and here as well. That means it will come in the denominators both ways and get cancelled. So let's find out the LCM and let's cancel the unnecessary terms. So it is tan inverse, taking the LCM, x minus x cube is what we get, plus 2x upon 1 minus x square will come from here and here. It has got cancelled. I am not writing it again. Now, 1 minus x square minus 2x square is 1 minus x square minus 2x square. So this is upon, this has got a bit slanting, you can understand it there and then. X plus 2x is 3x, x square, 2x square is 3x square. So that is tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. So it is 1 minus 3x square. This is what we have got for what? For the question as tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. So it is equal to tan inverse y. Now, what were we supposed to find? We were supposed to find the value of y, and what have we got? We have got the value of tan inverse y. Now, both the tan inverse from here and here get cancelled and nullified. So what is basically the value of y? The value of y is nothing but as 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x cube x square. So let's see which option matches. 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square is the option number A. So option number A is the answer to my previous year IIT JEE question, which was based on the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y.